Good afternoon, guys. Nick here with Kaizink. So today I'm in a dark room and I want to show you how we just perform a nozzle check on our M&R eye image. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to load on our nozzle check screen, which is located right here next to the station. And we're going to get this in here. So we're going to push it back. We're going to push the front down a little bit, bring it all the way back, and then I want to push it over to the right until I get this blue light on. Okay, once that blue light is on, what I'm going to do from there is I'm going to grab just a sheet of paper from our nozzle check test sheets over here, and I'm going to take this paper, and you want to make sure that you lay it down flat. So if there's any portions of it that are sticking up as the gantry is moving forward, there's laser on it, and it's going to cancel it out. It's going to say, hey, we can't print this, and it could potentially damage the print head running over it. So you just want to ensure that the paper that you're loading is nice and flat. What I'm going to do is where it says test sheet here, we have a little blue line. So I'm going to slide this piece of paper underneath this metal plate right here. All right, so in order to do that, I have to press the screen down a little bit to allow me to slide that back in there. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm just going to look at it again, make sure it's nice and flat, running parallel to our frame here. Next, I'm going to come over to the computer. Number one right here is going to be our iMimage interface. I'm going to select that. And then I'm going to do a cap off. What the cap off is going to do is it's going to take the cap off of the print head. After a certain amount of time, it caps itself so no dust or particles or anything can get in there. So as it does its thing, we're just going to let that warm up. Okay, so now that the machine has uncapped itself, all you're going to do is come here and hit auto. You're going to do check nozzle. Okay, so you're going to hit check nozzle. The machine's going to beep at you, and then again, you want to make sure that your blue light is on. All right, it did come a little loose because I was pressing my paper down there. Once it's beeping at you, you can go ahead and press your blue button for print. The gantry's going to move forward, and it's going to run your nozzle check here. Now let's check our results. All right, so that's our result. That's a nice clean print, no breaks in it, and that's what we're looking for. If the nozzle check was bad, you would see little white lines, a bunch of breaks in here, which would tell you that you have to run an auto clean or even a manual clean, and I'll explain those in the next video. Thanks, guys.